Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to 2x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have number 2 dx dv. We have e to the power of s dx. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So I will put number 2 in here. And we have the integration e to the power of s dx. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of s and we put about c. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.